Neo Financial. Should you use it? What is it? Let's dive into it.
Hi, I'm Mark, and welcome to Money with Mark. This is the show all about money, how we earn it, how we save it, how we spend it, and of course, how we invest it to help you become financially independent or achieve whatever your financial goals are. So if that sounds like something that you're interested in, then hit the subscribe button down below this video to get more videos on personal finances like this one.
Welcome back to Money with Mark. This is my review on Neo Financial. Neo Financial is a new fintech company based out of Calgary, Alberta, and they are starting to make some waves in the personal finance space. So what are they, and have I used them? Yes, I have. And should you use them? We're gonna get into that in this video. So I downloaded Neo Financial when I was out in Calgary this past summer at the Stampede, and I've been using it now for a couple months. Originally, I signed up for Neo Financial to make this video and to really test it out and show you guys what the advantages and disadvantages are of it, and to really kind of explain what it is. I signed up, I got $25 free just given to me as a sign-up bonus, bought me a free beer, love that. But then I got a little bit shocked because when I actually completed the sign-up process for Neo Financial, what I realized is, unlike a lot of other fintech companies, Neo Financial is not a prepaid credit card. You don't load it up and then spend it. Neo Financial is a regular credit card, and they give you a credit limit on that credit card, and you have to pay off that credit card every month. That's a big difference, and it really came as a shock to me because most of the other fintech companies around are all using the prepaid version. And I didn't particularly want to apply for another credit card, and so I was a little bit taken aback by this and not really that happy about it when I first signed up. I really enjoy the partners that they're doing. So it seems like Neo Financial's main goal is to partner with as many local businesses and larger businesses as well and offer cash back on purchases. So they've partnered with Spotify, Disney Plus, and a lot of local shops around the Calgary area. They haven't really managed to get many partnerships outside of the Calgary area yet, a little bit in Edmonton as well. For the most part, like your local coffee shop in Halifax or in Vancouver is not gonna have a partnership with Neo. And so that's a bit of a downfall, is that it's not really, the benefits of using Neo are not really that available to most Canadians right now. But they still offer some decent cash back at places that anyone can get. The only other part of Neo that really exists is a savings account. And they offer, right now, it's 1.3% interest on all the money you have in that savings account. So that's good to see. It's pretty much top of the line in Canada, pretty much on par with where Koho and Wealthsimple is going to get, and EQ Bank, which is, I think, a little bit higher. So they're right up there as far as high interest savings accounts go. So that's really awesome to see. And there's no fees for the savings account too, which is, again, great. But my problem with Neo right now is I don't really see many advantages to it. Because if I want cash back, there's plenty of great cash back cards through the major banks. And usually they're a little bit better by offering like 1% cash back on like all your spending, plus like another 0.5% or 1.5% on like groceries or gas. While Neo's doing kind of the same thing, and they do at some stores give better cash back, I find that overall, like your spending, you don't get a ton of cash back on. But it probably depends on your shopping habits. As a personal finance channel, I tend to encourage people not to spend their money. So while cash back can be great, I'd rather you just not spend that money at all and just keep it in your own bank account. But that's just, advice for people who want to grow their wealth and not necessarily spend it. That's my biggest problem with Neo, is that I don't really feel like there's that much incentive to change. Even their sign-up bonus of like getting $25 for free, which you can use with my link down below if you want, which I also get 25 bucks, so win-win. Even though there's that, there's better sign-up bonuses with some major credit cards. So I'm not really sure where the additional value is that Neo brings to you. If we were to compare Neo with something like Koho has a bunch of saving plans and goals that you can do. They have like roundup of your purchases, and they have a lot of like power-ups and like vaults and like just different features for Koho. Koho is really trying to almost like be a better bank and like provide more features than banks do, really. And then Wealthsimple is really trying to replace investing in online brokerages. And both Wealthsimple and Coho are doing a very good job at their respective replacements industries that they're doing. But with Neo, I feel like they're kind of like straddling in between, and I'm not really sure where they're going to go. Are they trying to be more of a bank? If so, I would expect them to have the kind of the prepaid credit card option. Or is Neo trying to maybe go to the investing side of things more? Or are they trying to be more of just a credit card company and just have multiple credit cards? Maybe it's too early to tell right now, but I'm not sure what their kind of strategy is. But currently, I don't really feel like I have a lot of incentive to change. I'd rather use Coho. It just has better features for me to save and spend my money. And they have cooler, flashier cards, in my opinion. And then I'd rather use Wealthsimple for like investing. And I'd rather use the big banks for getting bigger, better credit cards. Unless Neo is gonna be including like much better credit card options and like sign-up bonuses and different things like that, then I personally wouldn't recommend Neo Financial at this time. I'm gonna give them a 2.5 out of 5 stars. But you know what? I'm open to seeing what they build out because I've talked to actually some of their team here in Calgary, and they're working hard, so who knows what they will see in the future. And hopefully I can do another video and give them a little bit of bump up in their score. So that's what I think about Neo. Have you tried Neo? I really wanna know, especially if you live outside of Calgary. Have you tried it? Do you have it? And do you use it? Let me know. And if you want more personal finance videos like this, hit the subscribe button down below the video and you'll see more videos of my lovely face. I'm Money with Mark. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Peace